Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use DJ AI on Spotify. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open Spotify. Now from here guys, you have to wait some seconds. Now after that guys, if it's not showing here, then you have to go to search icon. So from here guys, you can easily see AI DJ like this. I'm going to search for AI DJ. Now as you can see guys, here it is. So just simply you have to go to playlist from here. Let me tell you that this feature is available for premium Spotify user. So you have to tap on AI DJ and want to use it, just simply you have to subscribe premium. Okay guys, so from here guys, you can also see millions of songs from here, and you can also skip the song from here. Okay guys, if you have AI DJ and want to use it, just simply you have to go to premium and just simply you have to subscribe this one. So after subscribing guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on AI DJ and you can use it very easily. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.